Thanks for staying with us. Let's go now to Kate Lockwell with an update on Jim Raynor's violent uprising.
Thanks, Donnie. Raynor's clearly widening his list of targets. He's attacked a Dominion archaeological dig and possibly seized a dangerous alien artifact.
Emperor Mangsk spoke on this subject earlier today.
There's no telling what kind of havoc these supposedly innocuous relics might wreak upon our worlds. Anyone found in possession of these items will be dealt with to the fullest extent of the law.
Look on the bright side, partner. You're a wanted man either way.
Thanks, Tychus.
Shocking, Kate. I imagine civilian casualties were high as a result of Raynor's terrorist actions.
Actually, the only civilian deaths appear to be collateral damage from overzealous Dominion security force.
Thanks, Kate. You heard it here first. Jim Raynor, killing women and children on Marsara.
Oh, man. Didn't the magistrate here know he was hiring an arch criminal as his marshal?
He was counting on it. Guess my tough guy reputation kept things nice and quiet around here. All the time I wore that badge, I never had to shoot anybody.
Well, where's the fun in that? What was it like, Jimmy? Fighting them Zerg?
All the scrapes we were in back in the day, all the narrow escapes, none of it compares to how terrible they are, Tychus. You don't know what real fear is till you got 1,000 of these sons of bitches barreling down on you. So who's your mysterious buyer, Tychus? Who are we supposed to hand this artifact over to?
A bunch of eggheads I ran into called the Mobius Foundation.
Mobius? They're a legitimate research group. Why the hell are they talking to you?
Soon as your boy Minsk made it illegal to trade in alien goods, they got desperate. And you know me, Jimmy. I am a great patron of the sciences. Have to say, Jimmy, you turned into a real impressive fighter. If I was old Minsk, I'd be running scared from you too.
You really mean that, Tychus?
Nah, I was just kidding. What's this? I heard them Zerg got burned out by them creepy Protoss a few years back.
It's been 4 years and they're still finding burrowed dens out in the wastelands.
Well, a trophy like that's gotta fetch a good price on a black market. Up for some hunting, partner?
Knock yourself out, Tychus. Me? I've hunted enough Zerg for 2 lifetimes.
With the artifact secure, you need to wait for transport at Backwater Station before you can leave Marsara. Transportation is on the way. Caution is advised. Dominion security forces may succeed in tracking the artifact to the station.
I've got transport coming to pick us up. All we gotta do is sit tight.
Don't sound too hard. I figure we earned ourselves a little R&R.
Commander, I'm detecting a massive concentration of Zerg biosignatures landing at the abandoned dig site.
I should have known it. Damn you, Tychus.
I swear, man, I didn't know nothing about no Zerg.
Given their current course, the Zerg will overrun this location within the hour.
Hell, we gotta hold out long enough for extraction. If we man the bunkers and hold those 2 bridges as long as we can, we just might stand a chance. We're gonna have a real fight on our hands here.
I've been in plenty of holdouts before.
Not against the Zerg, you ain't.
What's going on?
By the numbers, boys. Been waiting. This better be good. You gonna give me who wants some? Been waiting on you.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Gotcha.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Go ahead.
Here they come! Lock and load!
I feel you. Got it. Who wants some? Armed and ready. Roger that. Been waiting on this. Better be good.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Big job, huh?
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Why not?
To anyone hearing this message, we're pinned down near Backwater Station. Please assist.
You gonna give me orders? Tenfold. This better be good.
Ah! You scared me!
Uh-huh. Been waiting on you. Affirmative. Outstanding.
Additional supply depots required.
Can't wait.
Thought we were gunners there.
Stand ready. I feel you. Booyah! By the numbers, boys.
Yeah. Move it! We...
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required.
Who wants? Been waiting on you. Who wants some? Will do. You gonna give me order?
Get some SCVs repairing those bunkers.
Multiple air bogies detected. ETA? Right the hell now. Better be good. Aye, aye, sir. Booyah! Go, go, go! 10-4. Looking forward to. Been waiting on you. Who wants some?
In the rear with the gear. Bad news? Ah! You scared me! I'm going. SCV ready. Yes, sir. It's your dime. SCV ready.
give me orders? Roger.
The doctor is in.
Go, go, go! Armed and ready. This better be good. Outstanding. Can't wait. 10 more. You got it.
Mayday, mayday! We're trapped by the Zerg! They're burrowed all around us! If you can reach us, please help!
Not a problem.
Go ahead. Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? But you gonna give me orders? Gangway, coming through. I feel you.
Man, are you a sight for sore eyes! Hold up, we're coming with you!
Yes, sir. Roger that. I'm on it.
Additional supply depots required.
It's your dime. What's going on? Yeah, what?
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Who wants some? Been waiting. This better be good.
Upgrade complete.
Not a problem. Is it critical? I'll take it.
By the numbers, boys. Aye, aye, sir. In the rear with the gear. Sure thing.
Add-on.
The doctor is in.
Roger. Yep. You gonna give me who wants some? Orders received. By the numbers, boys. This better be good. By the number.
Add-on complete.
The doctor is in.
Want a piece of me, boy? Armed and ready. Yes, who wants some?
The doctor is in. Standing by.
Huh? Yes, sir.
The doctor is in.
Coming through.
The doctor is in.
Move it. Bad news. We could use some help here. Ah! You scared me.
Upgrade complete.
You gonna give me orders? Sure. Sure thing.
Standing by.
Keep at it, boys. A ride's on its way.
big job, huh?
The doctor is in.
This better be good.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Who wants some? We could use some help here.
Where does it hurt?
Been waiting on you.
Is it critical?
We need immediate support. Hostiles all around us. Is anyone out there?
Complete.
I'm on it. Keep this better be good.
Additional supply depots required.
Ah! You scared me! Yeah. Yep.
The doctor is in.
You gonna armed and ready. This better be
Add-on complete.
Been waiting on you. Can't wait. I feel you. 10-4. Aye, sir.
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raynor.
Will do.
You rang?
Orders received. Who wants some? Go!
Not enough minerals.
The doctor is in.
Roger that. That's fine. That's fine. Got it. That's fine. Sure thing. I'm on it. Sure. I feel it. Of course. Go!
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Yes, sir. Can't wait. Why not? Who wants some? Been waiting on you.
The doctor is in.
10-4. By the number. Outstanding. Oh, yeah. You got it. I'm on it. Orders received.
The doctor is in.
Why not? Roger that. Outstanding. Sure. Yes, sir. This better be good. Looking forward to it. You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Who wants some? Go! Aye. Why not? Armed and
Hold out just a little longer. We'll be getting out of here soon.
will do.
Additional supply depots required.
Big job, huh? Yo, well, butter my biscuit. Yeah.
Armed and ready. Looking forward to it. Affirmative. This better be good. By the numbers, boys. Why not?
Mineral field depleted.
Will do. Affirmative. Gangway, coming through. Can't wait. And oh, got it. Outstanding. You got it. Looking forward to it. Aye, aye. Got it. That's fine. Oh, yeah. Orders received. Can't wait. Looking forward. Get forward. Affirmative. By the numbers, boys. Anyway, coming through. Been waiting on you. You gonna get the orders? Sure thing. Oh yeah. Can't keep it sure about this money. Why not? I'm
Insufficient. Mineral field depleted.
Go. Keep your shirt on, Spongy. Got it. Orders received. Of course. Sure. Can't wait. Temple. Aye, aye. Who wants some? By the numbers, boys. Armed and ready. You gonna get the orders? Go.
You better send some body bags.
I feel you. Aye, aye. Armed and ready. This better be good. Orders. Sure thing.
Commander, this is Matt Horner. Just hold on. Cavalry's on the way.
Take your time, Matt. No rush.
Oh, yeah. That's fine. Sure thing. Orders received. I'm on it. Keep your shirt up. Go. Sure thing. Some help here. By the numbers, boys. Been
You
waiting.
better send some body bags.
This better be good. Armed and ready. Sure thing. That's fine. We could use some help here. Will do. You could have been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys. Armed and ready.
Cavalry's arrived. Anyone still alive down there?
Good to see you, Matt. Welcome to the party.
Glad we made it in time, sir. Now let's get you boys out of there.